Welcome to Brain Burst. Today we are gonna learn name of farm animals. What is this? Cow. This is cow. Do you know this one? Chicken. This is chicken. What is this? Pig. This is pig. Do you know this one? Sheep. This is sheep. Can you guess this one? Goat. This is goat. Do you know this one? Horse. This is horse. What is this? Donkey. This is donkey. Do you know this one? Duck. This is duck. Can you guess this one? Turkey. This is turkey. What is this? Geese. This is geese. Do you know this one? Rabbit. This is rabbit. What is this? Llamas. This is llamas. Do you know this one? Guinea pig. This is guinea pig. Can you guess this one? Ostrich. This is ostrich. Do you know this one? Bison. This is bison. Let's hope you have learned all the farm animals. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.